I'm scared of the car wash. This is the biggest car wash I've ever seen in my life.
Giant, beautiful, massive, the biggest ever in our country.
And I don't know how it works. So I was driving away from the car wash, and now I feel brave. I'm driving to the car wash, and we're just gonna see. We're gonna find out. Okay, so there was somebody who helped me. They load you on. There's a track I drive onto. I put the vehicle in neutral, no brakes, and now this whole process is happening. Pretty soon I'll come out and the vehicle will just be clean. I never been through no car wash like this. I don't know. It's making the vehicle clean. I go, it's a spinny thing. It's got the spinnies. They're coming. I'll show you. Yes, I'm literally recording the car going through the car wash. I guess I never realized what a country bumpkin I really am. I mean, I'm in Post Falls, Idaho. I'm not even somewhere awesome. This car wash feels like Star Wars. Like, well, look at what's happening. What's going on in my life? What is happening right now? I feel like my car is going through the Death Star. I don't even know. This is amazing. This is amazing. It's gonna spit me out the track. It's blowing it dry. What is this? I don't know. That was amazing. That was really something. Wow. Wow. I want to do it again. Can I go on the ride again? Am I allowed to ride twice? Like, what was that? Anyway. Andy just messaged me to not go through the car wash without her and crew. I can see why. It's pretty amazing.